not small. It's just slim fitted.
Do the yes is just. Do the yes is just.
Okay, what up, vlog squad? What's up, my dudes? It's me back again. So right now, time check. We have this much amount of time left till we go to the. Oh my gosh, did you hear that? And let's see what my sister's doing. This is how much time we have. And this is what my sister. She hasn't even packed, done anything. She's just chilling. Like, what are you doing with your life? And she has something to do on Saturday, and she's not packing. So the only time she really has is right now and tomorrow. But tomorrow we're still running around to get some stuff, and there's, I don't know. Honestly, here. Hey viewers, I told you. I'm telling you this right now. You heard this first. She's gonna be rushing later on. Mark that right there. Mark that. And I will. I'm gonna be right. And I'm gonna say I told you so, and it's gonna be the best thing I'm gonna ever feel. Okay, so yeah. Let's check out downstairs. Let's check out John's downstairs.
John's not doing anything.
Let's
either.
update. Let's go. Let's go.
I
need to wash it still. This is the vlog. The vlog goes.
You're not recording yet.
Oh, this needs to wash for sure. Ang baho.
It was recording the whole time. Okay, hello guys.
Oh, that smells pretty good. Still. Okay, chill. You're not strong like it. You need to use both hands. Hey guys.
Okay, so today, we're supposed to be packing.
But you're not packing.
Yeah.
I'm doing something productive.
Tomorrow we're very busy. Tomorrow, what's our plan? My brother's watching Endgame. He didn't get any tickets for me.
Yeah, because who wants to pay $16 for you?
Me.
Should I wash this? Smell this.
I don't want to talk to you.
Micah, smell it. Micah, actually smell it.
Yeah.
Actually wash it.
Oh.
Smell this.
Please. I can already feel
This. It smells moldy. I can taste
You put that on my lip.
I think it tastes the mold.
Anyways. So, after we're going to Winners, I don't know if you have that in America. Do they have Winners in America? I don't know if you have it where you live, but where else are you going? We're going to Walmart. And then after Walmart, are we going to Polo Park?
I don't know.
We might go to Polo Park. That's our mall in Winnipeg. That's like, no, that's not our
telling
own
where
mall.
relocation, Micah?
That's our mall in Narnia.
I'm gonna bleep that out.
Narnia or Winnipeg?
Where we live, Micah.
You said it in one of your videos. The one with Matt in it. They call him Kuya. Is he Filipino? Is he Asian? It smells so good. I put it in my eyes.
How about this one?
Actually, no, I'm not gonna eat it because I'm going to sleep soon.
It's on meal. It's like, oh my gosh, it's too much calories for the day. I'm like, we'll get so much weight. Are you bringing a pencil case?
Yeah.
What are you gonna put in your pencil case?
I wonder what I'm gonna put in my pencil case.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Like pens? What are you gonna use? I'm just gonna bring 2 pencils, lead, and 1 black, 1 red, and 1 blue. Thanks. This is my. It's not stinky. This is my.
Where'd you get that?
Dad bought it for me.
Okay, it's so stinky then.
What?
Kuya, can you show us what you're bringing? It's your underwear. Whoa, it's a tsunami. Whoa. Whoa.
Oh, remember this? Be a maverick. Be a maverick. Come on, Micah, sing it. You even know a song? What the frick? Oh, it's every day, bro. Get the benefits. It's every day, bro. How does it go?
It's every day, bro, with the Disney Channel
flow. 5 million YouTube in 6 months. Never done before. Yeah, PewDiePie's next. And I'm popping on the shit. It's Deep Talks with Yes, It's Travels.
My brother's like, you want to see how much he's packing? Like, look at him. He's like, oh, I'm so cool. Look at me. I'm packing. Look, I'm so prepared for Philippines. No one's been realizing that I've been trying to pack for like.
Bro, you packed one pile of clothes, and that's not what we're talking about. You're talking about, remember? Michael, why are you facing me when you're talking, and when I'm talking, you face yourself?
What time you're going to sleep?
I just want to fix.
Hi, Mom. Go say hi to the vlog. Say hi.
Hi.
Mama.
Wait, no.
Wait.
Remove the meat. It's in your...
Remove the meat.
Wait. Mom, can I buy a hat, Winners?
Huh?
Can I buy a hat?
Oh yeah, just bilan mo siya ng winners.
Blind.
Bilan mo siya ng ano.
Winners.
Hat? Last year?
That was just.
That was not yesterday. Last year was not yesterday. Okay, so last year when when my brother went to the Philippines, remember when I wasn't there? Flashback to that.
I'm not flashing back. I'm too lazy to edit that for you. You think you're the boss of the vlog? Is it?
I know. Okay.
Last year you didn't go.
Yeah, last year. Okay, so I didn't go last year.
I didn't do a vlog like this. This
Yeah,
is
they
real
didn't-
raw vlogs before the trip. This is where everything's at. You need
No one wants
to
to talk
behind
to
the
you
scenes. Everyone sees the
No
post,
one
like
wants
everyone sees
to.
the traveling, but they don't see the hardship with getting packed, like packing stuff. You know, yeah. Oh shoot, I forgot. It's a raw vlog.
Hey, bye. This kid thinks his shirt isn't small on him. Will you put the shirt on?
Okay, wait. Let's check this out. I'll see how it fits. Like this is like a pajama. It's like
Could you face me?
it's not small. It's just slim fitted. It's slim fitted. See, I can still wear this. Yeah, I can work out.
Kuya, you can't.
Yeah, I can.
Come here. What's that?
What? It's called my abs. See? Ooh, very hard. See, yeah, this is still good me.
Anyways, my brother's not home and I'm recording for him. And right now, I'm packing. You guys want to see it? One sec. My brother's watching Endgame right now, but it's everything in pack. I didn't really do anything. I'm not gonna do anything. But my brother's watching Endgame right now. He didn't even buy me a ticket, so I'm offended. That's his video I'm watching. I'll show you.
This is our setup. This is the editing team. Yeah, so this is our view.
That's my brother's video. Oh my gosh. This camera's too heavy. Whoa.
Wait, we move here.
Oh, that's too close to my face. There you go.
Micah.
Hello. Also, where are we going today?
We're going to get some packages.
I want to change in the car. What's this? Oh, it's a headband. You're gonna get copyrighted.
No, I'm not. It's 10 seconds. Let's kill this. Dun, 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 dun. That's good enough. So this is the house. Look at the Bayam box. Okay, so many stuff.
Bon voyage, Jen, safe travels. Enjoy the Palawan.
Bye! See you na!
Auntie Wally, you want to say anything to anyone?
See you soon.
And say anything to Auntie Nita?
Anita, thank you for everything.
Thank you for everything, Nits. Hi, Nits.
Look at this.
See you next year.
The pasalubong, so many.
Yeah, pasalubong.
Like the struggles, everyone. Look, they bought more than they actually need. There's so much pasalubong, but it's not gonna go into the Philippines because it's too much.
Arap pagwapo soy.